Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how can system be enumerated using default passwords and what is SNMP enumeration. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. So first we will see how can system enumerated using default password. Okay, so, device such as switches, hubs, routers and access point usually come with default passwords. Okay, not only network device but also few local and online application have built default passwords. Okay, these passwords are provided by vendor or application programmers during development of the product. Okay, most users use this application or device without changing this default password, okay, provided by the vendor or the programmer. Okay, if you do not change this default password, then you might be risk because list of default passwords for many products and applications are available online. Okay, so one such example is http www.virus.org/default passwords. Okay, it provides verified default login or passwords pairs for common network device. Okay, the login and password contained in this database are either set by default when the hardware or software is first installed, or in some cases hard coded into the hardware or software. Okay, so attacker take advantages of these default passwords and the online resources that provides default password for various product and application. Okay, attackers gain unauthorized access to the organization computer network and information resources by using default and common passwords. Okay, so this is the enumerate system using default passwords. Okay, next SNMP, that is simple network management protocol. Okay, so simple network management protocol enumeration is SNMP is an application layer protocol that runs on UDP and is used to maintain and manage router, hubs, switches on an IP network. Okay, SNMP agent run on Windows and Unix network on networking device. Okay, SNMP enumeration is the process of enumerating the user's accounts and device on a target computer using SNMP. Okay, two types of software components are employed by SNMP for communicating. They are the SNMP agent and SNMP management station. Okay, the SNMP agent is located on the networking device, whereas the SNMP management station is communicated with the agent. Okay, almost all the network infrastructure device such as routers, switches and etc. Okay, contains SNMP agent for managing the system or device. The SNMP management station send the request to the agent. After receiving the request, the agent sends back the replies. Okay, so both request and replies are the configuration variables accessible by agent software. Okay, so requests are also sent by SNMP management station for setting values to some variables. Okay, trap let the management station know if anything has happened at the agent side, such as reboot or interface failure or any other abnormal event. Okay, so this is the SNMP enumeration. Okay, next, SNMP contains two passwords that you can use for configuring as well as for accessing the SNMP agent from the management station. Okay, so the two SNMP passwords are, so first is read community string. Okay, it means configuration of device or system can be viewed with the help of this password. Okay, so this string are public. Okay, next, read or write community string. Okay, so configuration on the device can be changed or editing using this password. Okay, so this string are private. Okay, when the community string are left at the default setting, attackers take the opportunity and find the loopholes in it. Okay, then the attacker can use this default password for changing or viewing the configuration of the device or system. Okay, attackers enumerate SNMP to extract information about network resources such as host, routers, device, shares, and etc. and network information such as ARP tables. Okay, ARP stand for Addresses Resolution Protocol, and routing tables, device specific information, and traffic statistics. Okay, so commonly used SNMP enumeration tools includes SNMP util and IP network browser. Okay, so this is the SNMP enumeration. Okay, thank you for watching.